Hey there, amazing souls. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. With the new year just around the corner, I thought, what better time to focus on a self-care and wellness glow up? This isn't about waiting until January 1st to start fresh. Nope. This is about taking small, meaningful steps today to welcome the new year as the best version of yourself. So grab your favorite drink, get cozy, and let's chat about how we can glow into the new year together. And hey, drop a comment anytime. I'd love to know what your goals or self-care plans are. Segment 1. Reflect, reset, and recharge. First, let's reflect on this past year. What worked for you? What didn't? This isn't about beating yourself up, it's about learning and growing. Here's a quick activity. Grab a piece of paper and jot down 3 things you're grateful for from this year, and 1 habit you want to leave behind. Share in the comments if you feel like it. I'd love to hear your reflections. And if you need inspiration, just ask. Reflection is the first step to recharging your energy and starting fresh. Let's use this moment to reset together. Segment 2. Pre-New Year Wellness Habits. Who says resolutions have to wait for January 1st? Starting even one small habit now can give you a head start. Here are 3 ideas to glow up before the ball drops. Swap 1 sugary drink for water each day. Move your body for 10 minutes. Even a dance party in your room counts. Take 5 minutes every night to reflect on your day or plan for tomorrow. What's one small change you'd love to try? Drop it in the chat, and let's cheer each other on. Segment 3. Visioning your best self for the new year. Now for the fun part. Let's envision the best version of you for 2025. What does that look like? Is it someone who feels energized, calm, and fulfilled? Here's an idea. Create a mini vision board. Cut out pictures or write down words that represent the self-care and wellness goals you want to achieve. If you don't have time for a full board, share in the comments. What's one word you want to define your 2025? Mine is balance. What's yours? Segment 4. Breathing and letting go of stress. Before we wrap up, let's release any stress or pressure we might feel going into the new year. A quick breathing exercise can do wonders. Let's do it together. Breathe in for 4 counts. Hold for 4 counts. Exhale for 6 counts. Feel that? That's the weight of 2024 melting away. Do this whenever you need a moment of calm. As we approach the new year, remember this: change doesn't happen overnight, but every little step you take now makes a big difference later. Thank you for spending this time with me. I hope you're feeling inspired to take charge of your self-care journey before the clock strikes midnight. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button, subscribe, and share your glow-up goals in the comments. Let's keep each other accountable as we step into 2025 with confidence and grace. You've got this, and I'll be here cheering you on every step of the way. Until next time, take care of yourself, and Happy New Year in advance.